Whatever I explained for each and everything, guys, I'm giving points, screenshot. You need to copy down. I'll give sufficient time. You can analyze the things. If no doubt, then only we'll go for program, guys. Don't worry. Yeah. Take down these points as well. Yes, guys, take down this also. You can see 6 step of JDBC subheading. Yes. I'll scroll down, guys. Yeah. I'll go up to line number 799. 779. Sorry. 779. Yeah. 779. 779. Yes, guys. Take down one more. One last will be there. That's it. One more last is there, guys. That's it. Little. I'll scroll down, guys. Yeah. That's it, guys. This is all about your complete Ramayana Mahabharata. Whatever we have discussed, I gave points, slides, whatever was required. So, guys, how many slides were there? Yeah, how many slides were there, guys? 6 slides, right? 6 or 7. How many screenshot topic you took? 6 or 7, guys? 6, right? Now I want you to go through each and everything, guys. Yeah, I'll give you exactly 5 minute time. Just go through each and every slides, each and every points in within 5 minutes. Then we will go for program, guys. Yeah, please make it fast. If you have any doubt, you can ask your doubts. Yeah, please go through. But guys, copy down these things neatly in your notebook. Yeah. Yes. I'll give you exactly 5 minutes, guys. Yeah, just go through. Up to 9:45, not 9:45, up to 9:42. Yes, go through all the points fast. Don't waste your time, guys. Go through. So guys, done. Yes, guys, done all of you. Any doubt up to here, guys? Whatever we have discussed and whatever slides I gave, any doubt up to here? Yes, guys. What about others? Any doubt up to here? Everything is clear, guys. Yes, everything is clear up to here. Okay. So guys, shall we go for program? Guys, shall we go for program? So we can complete the program in 10 to 15 minutes, guys. Yeah. Shall we go or no? See, guys, if you want to learn the things faster, okay. So few of you are telling you have drive. Fine. That's okay, guys. Okay. Fine, guys. Then most of you are telling no, 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 right? Fine, guys. Then we'll do it tomorrow. Yes, we will do it tomorrow, guys. So how many of you have drive now? Johnny, happy now? Johnny and few more members just telling sir, don't do it tomorrow, do it tomorrow. Now happy, Johnny? Okay, okay, fine. Yeah, fine, guys. Then, so if we have drive, guys, attend the drive. Yeah, all the best, guys. Abhishek, now see, many of your friends are telling to do it tomorrow. That's okay. Yeah, even we have to think about them because most of them have drive, right? Yes, so that's okay, guys, no problem. So tomorrow we'll complete it all. Yes, because I need to take care of your friends as well, right? Because if they'll miss the concept, then it's very difficult, guys. In case of framework also, you will face the problem. This concept is very important. That's okay. Just go through the theory portion today. Yeah, tomorrow we'll do the program. So guys, first you have to join through Skill Diary. Later you have to join through this link. Yes. first join through skill rally so that at least for 5 minutes you spend there, you will start, and then we will come back to go to meeting. If we will not join through skill rally, guys, you will not get any certificate. Yeah, attendance you will not get. Yeah, same link, Abhishek, same link. But first you have to join through skill rally for 5 to 10 minutes, then later we will move on. Yes. Yes, guys, that's all. Please study properly, guys. Go through whatever slides I gave. Soon we will complete your JDBC. In next 5 class, max to max 5 to 6 class, guys, we'll complete JDBC. Then we will go for servlet. So once you'll complete with JDBC, guys, you will get n number of interviews. Yeah. So fine, guys. That's all for today. Please take care of yourself as well as your family. Yeah. And we'll continue tomorrow's class. Okay, guys. Fine. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care, guys. Yes, Ashok. This week we'll complete JDBC. No doubt. Fine, guys. Then we'll end this meeting. Yeah. So you can contact in group itself. Yeah. At last, I'll give the notes. Don't worry. At last, let me complete the JDBC. I'll give the notes. But if you'll write your own notes, guys, that will be very perfect, right? That will be good. You can go through. I shared SQL notes long back, right? Yeah, I said SQL notes long back. Yes. So fine, guys. We'll end this meeting. All of you just go through the points. Whatever we discussed, we'll do programming in next class. Now go through. If you have any doubt, I'll clear your doubt in next class. Then we'll proceed. Fine, guys. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.